Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to set a minimum order price Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start a tutorial. So the first thing you need to do here is you need to go to shopify.com, log in into your account, and access your store. In this case, we'll be installing it now for us to apply these changes. So let's go to our settings at the bottom left, and from here you want to go to apps and sales channel, and from here click on Shopify App Store. Now what we need to do next is we need to look for an app which is going to be Sure, and from here go ahead and just press on enter. Now you should see the Be Sure Check Out Rules application here. So what we need to do is we need to install that. So let's go and click on this one, and from here click on install. It should redirect you to another tab, which in this case is going to ask you if you really want to install this app into your store. In this case, let's go and click on install. And from here, what we need to do next is we just need to fill out all the necessary details. Now, in this page here, you should be able to see the Be Sure Checkout rules here. Now, via this app, you could add rules on the checkout page for your web store. But first, let's just wait for it to load up. So in this case, when you click on the Be Sure Checkout rules here, you should be able to see the current active rules here. So currently the limit right now that we have right now, so we only have one free rename payment rule available here. So that is our limit here, which is we are currently using the free plan that I have. So if you want to like for example modify the plan that you have right now, so currently this is the free plan here. They also have the starter here, which is $3.99 a month. The advance here is $7.99. So in this case, you can try the free trial here if you want to. Free trial for first 5 days here. So in this case, you're going to have like 2 rules of any type allowed here. But in this case, let's go ahead and go back to rules here and click on create rule. Now what we need to do next is we need to use the validation option here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to click on select rule. Now from here we have the following options. So we have the template, so we can use like block PO box addresses, block meter chat addresses, and a lot more. So in this case, we also have the set minimum required digits for house number, shipping address here, language characters, and a lot more. But for now, let's go and choose the empty rule here and click on select. Now from here we have the following options. So you have the rule name here and also status. So currently this is going to be in testing. So if you want to basically test it first out. So in this case, we have the which step will trigger this rule when the customer is interactive with the checkout and completing the checkout. So from here, what we need to do is we need to change a few things here. So in the when section here, make sure to change this to order total amount. So excluding duty and tax and shipping here. And we also need to make sure that it's greater than or equal to. So, or we could choose the less than or equals to. So in this case, we want to say, like for example, we need to have our order at least 100. So they have to at least purchase at least 101. Now in this case, what we need to do is we want to make sure that it is selected, then block checkout and show the error message like this. So in this case, we want to show it at the top of the checkout page, and we want to show a minimum purchase amount should be 100. So in this case, what we need to do next is we need to add those texts here. And as you can see, make sure that it's actually set up like this one. And from here, what we need to do next is click on the create button at the bottom right of the screen. Also, if it's going to say if app fails or experience a problem, what we need to do is we want to block customer from completing order completing checkout here. Let's go and click on create here. Now to test this out, what you need to do is you just need to enter the following option here, which is the first name for the shipping section of your store. Just add testing here and proceed on checking out, and you should be able to test this rule here for your store. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.